What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Shawn King, infinite banking practitioner and founder of Legacy Life and Retirement. And today we're going to be diving into an advanced strategy that can help you supercharge your wealth building. And that advanced strategy is how to pair infinite banking with your real estate investment portfolio. Now, this one's packed with some great information. So whether you're a real estate novice or a seasoned investor, be sure to stick around. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about the basics, then be sure to check out our Save and Spend System overview, which will give you a great foundation for understanding the power of infinite banking. Now, let's go ahead and get right into it. So today, I want to jump into the nitty-gritty. How can infinite banking be used effectively in real estate? To break it down, infinite banking allows you to leverage the cash value of your life insurance policy as a private source of funding. This means that you're borrowing against the cash value instead of using traditional bank loans. What you need to understand is your policy's cash value actually acts as collateral for the loan. This loan is not taxable, it does not affect your credit, and you control the terms of the repayment. So let's move into a detailed scenario to help this make sense for you. Meet Ryan. He's 35 years old. He has a well-funded infinite banking policy with over $200,000 in cash value, and he wants to buy a rental property. So instead of applying for a bank loan and dealing with the interest rates and the credit scrutiny, Ryan decides, I'm going to borrow $100,000 from my policy. Let's say he's going to get that at 5% interest. With this policy loan, Ryan can then purchase his property, and that property will generate him an income. We'll call that $2,000 a month in rental income. After expenses, Ryan might net something like $1,500 monthly. What makes this powerful is Ryan's policy continues to earn dividends and interest on the entire deposited amount. I'm talking about the full $200,000 as if he never touched it in the first place. That, my friends, is the power of continuous compounding interest. Now, here's what makes this strategy stand out. Unlike traditional mortgages, there's no rigid repayment schedule. Ryan could decide to pay back the loan using a portion of the rental income, let's say $1,000 a month, which means he's growing his equity in the policy while still cash flowing from the investment. Control is key here. Because Ryan's using his policy, he decides how and when to repay. There's no risk of foreclosure or penalty from a bank if payments need to be paused for some reason. This flexibility allows investors to weather economic downturns or reinvest the profits without any pressure. The real magic, of course, is in the long-term wealth. As Ryan repays his loans, the funds replenish the policy's cash value, which he can then use for future investment, aka more rentals. Each cycle strengthens his portfolio, it increases his passive income, and it compounds his policy's growth. So here's some key takeaways that you need to know. First, you get control of the terms, which means you set your own repayment schedule. You're not going to find that at any banking institution out there. Second is compound interest. Your policy earns compound interest on any dollars you've deposited as premium. It earns like they're untouched even when you take policy loans. And third is asset protection. The policy loan is non-reportable, which preserves your financial privacy. So if you're looking to amplify your real estate investing power, infinite banking might be a game changer for you. If you want to learn more about this 200-year-old concept, head down to the description section of this video and click that link. That'll take you to the homepage of our website where you can watch the full infinite banking overview that I mentioned before to help really tie down the fundamentals. After that, go ahead and book yourself a free cash consultation with me and my team, and we'll sit down, we'll answer all of your questions, and we'll discuss exactly what your goals are and how infinite banking can be the foundation to building your real estate portfolio. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and check out some of our other helpful videos on the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it with someone you believe needs to see it. As always, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. I'm Shawn King, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.